Hey, Happy New Year. It's David here at Dave Knight Trading. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. I'm going to try to cover things quickly today because um, it is what it is. I am trading at least for now, I'm trading the MNQ and I only have one account. I'm going to be, for those who don't know, I've been an insurance agent since 2006, and I've dabbled on and off. Some years more I've done more with it than others. I looked at Medicare last year and decided that it was just too much of a learning curve. Um, so I wanted to. Last year I went full tilt trying to make it in my trading business, and to be honest, my expectations were higher than what actually happened. As a recap, last year I spent about a little over $5,000, net. It's about 6,500 in total gross. Took home 1,500 and it netted out to about 5,000 in losses. So I spent 6,500, made 1,500, and I spent 5,000 more than I made last year. There was no last year I had none, zero, zilch. Um, Affiliate income come in. I don't know what the hell's going on. I posted my link out there. I know people said they tried, and I didn't get anybody. So it is what it is. So I'm okay with that. I didn't expect to make a lot of money in affiliate income anyway. So it's all. So it was basically last year was all trading income and spending and EAs and PAs, and then blowing it and whatnot. So as a recap, last year I had 20 PAs. Of those 20, oh, excuse me, I've qualified for 20 PAs. The year prior I had 3. Last year I had 17. And I got paid on 1 out of 17. That's not the best a barometer, I know, and I definitely admit that it was not the best of my trading years, but I'm trying to keep this to less than 5 minutes from this point. Well, you know what? Let's be conservative and say 10 minutes. Kept 10 minutes from this point. Try to keep it within a 10-minute and try to keep this less than a 15-minute video overall. So I'm trying to catch up. So 2024 started today. Was my first trading day of 2024, and you notice I've got 9 contracts, and I haven't made up my mind if I'm going to trade 9 or 6. Definitely not 3, but it's going to be a combination of some kind of 3, 6, 9, like 9, 18, 27, so forth, so on. But this is how I preliminarily set it up today. Let me bring my let's bring the spreadsheet and get myself out of that corner. So where I put myself in my video and then me. So all right, so this coincides. 46 is a 2R. So a 2R stop, and each one of these is 50 cents. So each one of 9 contracts, so it equivalates out to $4.50 instead of $5 trading 9. You notice I got 432. So what does that mean? 432. Right now, I haven't made up my mind how I want to approach it. It might be 2P, 3P, 6P. It might be 1.5P, 3P, 6P. So that's the overall arching goal, or it might be 9P that I go after. And so 3, 6, and 9. It might be setting up 3, 6, and 9 and dividing this out even more. So maybe 4 off, and then I have 5 left, and 2, 2, 1. I don't know exactly how we're going to do it, but definitely take a majority out at a certain profit target, and then let the rest run, and then basically have 2 full stops like this. This is how I'm thinking of it right now. And then the rabbit. So we got the tortoise side of the trade, the hare side of the trade, basically these 2, and then we have our tortoise side of the trade, which tries to catch a bigger win. In this case, if there's only 2 contracts out on MNQ, that means each tick is worth $1 instead of Yeah, $5. So there's 4 ticks in every point move. So it's quarter, half, 3/4, a whole. So each one of these is equivalent to $2. So $2 by 2 by whatever it comes out. So instead of $10 per or 20 per 2, on the other one it's $4, right? 151, 51, $2, 244. Yeah. So anyway, what I'm trying to say is the MNQ is 1/10 the size of the mini contract. So the NQ, so it's 1/10 the size, the MNQ, and that's what I'm trading. At least that's what I'm starting with. I ended up with a positive day. I didn't actually start my day until the afternoon, so I wanted to give myself the opportunity to kind of figure things out and how I want to approach it and what looks good to me and what doesn't. Just pulling up the accounts right now. So notice that I'm up 50,000, only $22 right now. So you need 7 days. I'm trying to take this a little bit of a more of a longer term view. At one point today, I was down 112, and I turned it around and finished up $22 up. So it was 3 trades. I had 1 winner, 1 loser, 1 break even. So I'm trying to be patient and allow patience to win overall, and look at this more of a long-term view as opposed to having to make the money right here, right then, right now. Try to take good trade setups, not try, do or do not. There is no try. Take good setups, get out of those setups that I thought were good that go against me, get out and live to fight another day. Basically, that's all it's about. Now, with that being said, I'm going to be concentrating a lot of my time out in the field now, doing the insurance gig again. So that's kind of the overall arching goal that's going to be right now as I'm looking at this first quarter of 2024. I want to give 100% to my insurance business and pretty much what's left to trading, and which won't be a lot, but I'm going to try to carve out time in each day, Monday through Friday or 3 days a week or whatever I can fit in the future. And I wanted to make this today because today is the start of my trading year. So what my goal right now as a trader this year, instead of trading the NQ, trade the MNQ, taking less risk and allowing myself, so I wasn't bothered at all down 1,000. Down 100 as opposed to being down 1,000. So 1 loss with 3 contracts or 6 contracts or whatever the contracts, I might have been down 500 or 1,000. And I'm trying to gear away from that because I know that threshold for me is around the $500 mark. I want to keep my losses in any given day to less than 500. That's my overall arching goal. And obviously keep my wins unlimited to allow myself to move with the market and take what the market allows. So in other words, let the profits run, take your losses and control the loss side of the equation, right? Do the best to limit your losses and allow your profits to run. Allow that to run to the best of your ability inside Apex that also you have to worry with the max drawdown. So that is my overarching goal that I'm trying to accomplish in 2024. I hope that makes sense to you. We'll talk more in the future. Let's call this the video right here at the 10-minute mark. All right. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. But yes, we have moved to MNQ. I'm looking at either trading 6 contracts or 9 contracts right now. 9 is kind of where my thought process is. Instead of taking $5 per contract, taking $4.50, and then trying to run a certain amount off of a certain amount off a certain amount, and then let the last part of that contract run a little bit to allow those bigger wins that will make up for some of the smaller losses. All right, it's Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. I hope you have a great 2024. Please make your comments below. I love to hear from you all. You know I love hearing from you. So good luck to each and every one this year. Make 2024 the best year ever. And let's not get political, but make this the best year ever. Let's just leave it at that. All right. God bless. Take care. I'll see you on the next video I put together. Bye for now.